Well, they don't cheap out on the Christmas decorations in the Philippines. Shake Shack. Wow, look at the size of that. Pile of presents.
Tree presents. Presents of tree.
I'm gonna check in here to see if there's anything Serena can eat because she's a vegetarian who likes not eating vegetables.
Crispy fried mushrooms filled with melted Monstera and cheddar cheese with lettuce and tomato.
Munster.
Munster. It's
I like
cheese.
the look of this ube shake. Where is it? Vanilla, frozen custard blended with ube.
Oh, I was going to have that. Is this available soon?
Oh, wah, 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 wah. Burgers, frozen custard, fries.
What's my drink? Huh.
Oh wow, that is tea.
Very good burger. I think it's one of the best meals I've had in the Philippines.
Amy's thinking about having a second burger.
Tim's thinking about it.
And so is Amy.
You haven't even finished your first one.
Serena's gonna have.
Aurora's saying hello.
Hello, Rama.
It's also got a vegetarian option. It's a mushroom burger.
Yeah, it's really good. Mushroom and cheese.
Oh yeah, look at that cheesy mushroom. Let's try some.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, Rolf. MLMBIS. You may have the best burger in Panglao, but in Manila, I would say the best burger goes to Shake Shack. I had 2.5 burgers. It said smouldering, not possessed. Yep, if you're looking for massive brands, we've got Channel right there, Rolex, I think Chanel do biscuits, Dior, Fred Perry, Guerlain, Mont Blanc, L'Occitane, Paul Le Café.
To see if I can take the hamster away.
She's going to sleep with it.
Is she holding on to it?
Yeah, I took it away and she cried.
Aurora, what have you got there, Rara?
Mama, have it. Mama, have it. She puts it in your hand, but then she doesn't let you have it. Mama, have it.
No.
Serena, have it.
Mama have it instead.
No.
No, mine, in my mouth.
Serena, have it.
Yeah, so Aurora has managed to get hold of the hamster that Serena got from the Ginger Snaps shop. Is it Ginger Snaps or?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, Ginger Snaps. And now she won't let go of it. So we're going to have to go back to the Ginger Snaps Snap shop to get Serena one of her own hamsters. Or some sort of toy, whatever it is. They've gone in the elevator. I'm taking the escalator because the elevator's full of people that can take the escalator themselves, but instead insist on riding the elevator. I don't know why they do that. Like, if you're going up a floor, just get on the escalator. But no, queue up for the elevator so people that actually need the elevator, like us with a pushchair, cannot use it. I don't know why. And it grinds my gears. It's like it requires no additional effort going on the escalator. You got to stand on it and it takes you up. The elevator, you go in it, you press the button, it takes you up. So why queue for the elevator? Apologies for the ramble, but it's one of those things that I don't understand why. But here we are back at Ginger Snaps to get Serena one of the toys that she's already got because Aurora has pinched it.
I'm getting
Another one, you mean? You're getting another one. Because the little one over there is still cuddling the one that you bought already.
I've never seen some attached to a toy before.
Almost forgot. Somebody said they could eat an entire chocolate bar. Amy's actually going to Marks and Spencer's to get a bar of chocolate to eat.
You can't offer me a bar of chocolate and not follow
An
through.
entire bar of chocolate, you got to eat it.
Well, it didn't say what size. You know I could eat
It's got to be a big bar. It's got to be a big bar. If you're from the UK, don't worry, they have Percy pigs here. That legit, look at that bamboo. It's even got a toe. It's like an elephant foot. Somebody let me know if that's real or not, because it looks like it's real. At the same time, it's hard to believe that is real. So this is the green belt at dusk, or on the cusp of dusk, on the verge of dusk. I was just wondering what else is here. Charles and Keith, I don't know who they are. Pandora, I don't know what that says, there's a typo. Etam, Parry. Columbia, sportswear company.
Makes you really want a really nice thick winter coat to keep you.
Yeah, just in case you get a bit chilly in the Philippines, you know, and it's plus 30-degree heat. In the down season, Marks and Spencer's clothing, clobber. Levi's, oh, I like that cardigan. That's a woman's cardigan. I like the brown jacket next to it. Actually, can I go look at that brown jacket? That brown jacket. Oh, it's disappeared.
She wants lush, but we don't even have a bath in this country.
I'm gonna go look at the brown jacket, not the cardigan. I am so gonna look at that cardigan. Well, that's nice. That one. Yeah, had a look at the cardigan, jacket, sorry. And it's nice, and if this was the UK, and I was still in the UK, with UK weather, you know, that would be something that I'd be buying to add to my wardrobe. But we're not in the UK anymore, we're in the Philippines, and there's no point buying anything with long sleeves, anything with long legs, you know, anything but shorts. I mean, today's the first day I've worn socks in a long time. So, buying a long sleeve jacket like that, why they even sell that as well, I don't know, but... Scientist.
It's from that place there.
That's where they do science.
It's where that place where they do.
Okay, scientists. Guerlain. Omega. That place is called Concierge. I wonder what they sell there. Channel and their biscuits. Lacoste. Tommy Hilfiger. Nope. I've been carrying everything. Oh. I'm taking the reins. Yeah, it is nice to push. It's smooth. It's like glides. I don't know if Aurora is awake down there, but she seems to be enjoying the ride.
I'll work out how to lay it down.
It's that cozy. She's drifted off. Greenbelt. Hello. We've gone to the other side, and we've got a Marc Jacobs. There's the Boss shop. If you're looking for a boss, that's where you get your bosses from. I can't pronounce that one. That place is called Bogey. Lovely. Disgusting. Carolina Herrera. They must do chilies or something. And over there is a Massimo Dutti. I reckon that's coffee. Open melon. Go. Oh, there's a meow. Wow, I am impressed with this pushchair. It's so smooth. Here we go, there's the fishes. Do not feed the fishes. The fishes are fed already. There's a fish over there having a jacuzzi. Or maybe the fish has got upset stomach. What is going on with that fish? This fish here is loving the bubbles. There it is. There. More of the nice decorations they have here. Look at all the colours on that. Look at these bloody TikTokers. Yep, it's raining. Check out these lights. This is where we were last time we came. We've got no idea where we're going now. We're not sure where we are. We're deep into the heart of the Greenbelt. Yeah, so if you're wondering what shopping's like in the Philippines, especially Manila, you should definitely come check out the Greenbelt. Because it's essentially a cluster of shopping malls all interconnected. And it's huge. And it's got everything you need. And right now, little Rara needs a nap. She's got her new little teddy bear. Or teddy dog. And down here, oh, there's the toy hamster that she won't let go of. She's got that well protected. Look at all these scientists here making dim sum. Looks like a cool place to eat. This coffee shop's named after me, the Fat Seed. Right, I was swiftly ejected out of the Adidas store. Now we're going to go into Urban Revivo. Yep, that's what I saw. And this one with the duck's butt. There's the jumper I like with the cat. I reckon around about $29.99, maybe $35.
I said 25.
32, 37.
I was in the middle. I know. Access denied on the shorts. Amy, how about this bag? Blue. Green bag. This one I'm on about this. I love the knitted coat. I like knitted stuff, thank you.
I like knitted stuff, but that's...
Cable on it. Oh my god. Thought that guy was trying to take a picture of me then. I joke, I know he was taking a picture of himself. Whoa, look at that queue. Wonder what they're queuing up for. Looks like we're joining the queue.
Can't beat them, join them.
Nobody knows what they're queuing up for. They just know to go this way. In a previous unedited video, we got picked up from there last time. Uninteresting fact. Looks like it's a shop though. So it says on the top, at the top there. We just walked into something, we don't know where we are, what it is. It ended in ARK. And it started with the landmark. Okay. I could have figured that one out. I called it the land arc. The landmark. Trying to escape the crowds. Everybody still seems to be hurrying in the same direction.
That's made out of shoes.
Oh, backpacks. This place is a video on its own. It's huge. So I think on that note, I'm going to call it a day on this one. Because I'm going to run out of battery and space on the memory card. So, oh, Amy, donut bags. We'll see you later.